Few minutes of the program to review the Interdominion heats. It was the final round of heats at Hobart last night of the Cadbury Interdominion, heats 7, 8 and 9, and obviously with the point score tallied up at the end of the night, we do have a final field. Let's have a look at heat 7. Brian Hancock had House of Lancelot as the 5-2 on favourite in heat 7. He had barrier 1, went straight to the front, and they couldn't pick him up.
From the inside, then Sovereign Hill, Hoppy's Jet, Anvil Vance, Northern Brewer and Kiwi John. They're in the final lap. They've got 600 left to go, and it's House of Lancelot. He's 2 metres to late bid. Newsbreaker's third on the inside. In fourth spot, Son of Pearl. Anvil Vance letting go with a blistering sprint out wide on the track, and he's zooming into the race. They've got 400 to go. House of Lancelot's in front. Look at Anvil Vance sprint. He quickly went to second, then late bid. Newsbreaker the inside, Son of Pearl. 300 to go. House of Lancelot held together, led by a metre Anvil Vance. Then Newsbreaker, late bid and Sovereign Hill. On the turn, it's House of Lancelot by a metre Anvil Vance. 4 metres away, Newsbreaker, then late bid. House of Lancelot's in front. He's holding Anvil Vance, and then Newsbreaker and late bid. But House of Lancelot's into the grand final, the champ. House of Lancelot's won it. Second placing goes to Anvil Vance. Tight third, late bid.
Prior to Saturday night, there was some doubt about House of Lancelot even making the final field because he'd only earned 1 point on Wednesday night when he finished at the tail of the field, but that victory gave him another 14 points to taking him up to 29, and luckily the pre-post favourite House of Lancelot will go into the final of the Interdominion. On to heat number 8. Trier Fluke was the favourite for this one at 2-1.
Switch around there outside. He's last in a bunching field as they head into the back. 600 left to go. Trier Fluke's had the race run to suit. It led Captain Rufus 1.5 metres. He just hung in a bit there. 3 wide Shiver Me Timbers as they quicken up appreciably now. Then Bradshaw the inside of Anvil Star. Out 4 deep about soon was Kentuckiana from Moradin Hill, and then came Skipper Trust and Rainbow Knight. Trier Fluke and Captain Rufus together running off the back straight as they quicken right up. Anvil Star trying to get out wide. Shiver Me Timbers. Captain Rufus putting it to Trier Fluke. Then Shiver Me Timbers, Anvil Star. Next the inside Bradshaw. Captain Rufus on the turn led. Trier Fluke coming back, and then Anvil Star. Trier Fluke, Captain Rufus, then Anvil Star wide out. Trier Fluke in front. Captain Rufus coming at him. Captain Rufus hit the lead late. Anvil Star. Captain Rufus. Captain Rufus beat Anvil Star third close between Bradshaw, Trier Fluke and Moradin Hill.
Anvil Star was a nice run, but Captain Rufus, driven and trained by Ted Demler, starting at 3-1 there, and Trier Fluke going down the 2-1 favourite. We move to the last of the heats, heat 9, the last chance for horses to qualify for the final. Quantum LaBelle, again from the Hancock stable, was 6-4 on. That's him leading.
Third the inside Sam Malone. Now hooking out Strzelecki Lady gets into the clear, going around Holy Chip and then Jack Boyer. Roman Origin wide, Manaville gone, Happy Asset around it, and Talk About Charles dropped out of it. Quantum LaBelle and Allwoods Chief together at the 400. A metre away, Holy Chip, 3 wide to third, then Sam Malone. Happy Asset getting up along the inside, wide Strzelecki Lady. Quantum LaBelle the leader, running off the back straight though. 1.5 metres to Allwoods Chief, Sam Malone third. Wide out Holy Chip, and then came Happy Asset, but it's Quantum LaBelle on the turn, held together. Allwoods Chief 1 metre away, and then Sam Malone followed by Happy Asset. Quantum LaBelle the leader, halfway up the straight though. Allwoods Chief and Sam Malone trying, but Quantum LaBelle's too good. Quantum LaBelle first, beat Allwoods Chief and Sam Malone. Happy Asset close up fourth, then Talk About Charles, Holy Chip, Jack Boyer.
What a night for Brian Hancock. He also won the Tasmanian Derby with Kingstar, who started odds on, but Quantum LaBelle and House of Lancelot, 2 very good representatives for Brian in next Saturday's final of the Interdominion. Here's the final point score and the 10 horses who have made the field. Quantum LaBelle was the Interdominion champion in terms of points with 39, the highest points earner. Anvil Vance, the Kiwi, 36. Trier Flukes made the field with 30. Anvil Star at 29. We probably expected House of Lancelot to finish up with a few more than 29 points. 2 wins and 1 last gives him 29. Late bid 26, Bradshaw 25, Captain Rufus, a good winner of on the last heat night, 24, Sam Malone 24, and Ataturk has just scraped in with 23 points. They'll run the final over 2,750 metres, the longer distance, and that's coming up next Saturday night at Hobart. And by the way, the barrier draw for the Interdominion will be done on Tuesday. Next week, another great week of racing, the $1 million Moonee Valley Oaks, the Coolmore Classic and the Randwick Stakes. Might and Power takes on Dane Ripper. So another good week ahead. Until next time, thanks for being with us. Goodbye for now.
Curve tackled by Stampede and his Planet Hollywood on the run back. General McGee on the outside, gone straight past.
Also won this morning, and I'll probably have it. It can